So Charlie, tell me the origin story. What's the overview of how this all came about?
I have been working in the consulting space in the EV industry in the UK for a while now, and I've gotten into the position of supporting a number of companies in getting going with charge point operations, and ended up, kind of writing some support material for this. And at the time, I ended up speaking to you, Dan, and you said, well, would you write a generic version? And, I thought that was a great idea.
So who's been taking this course so far?
So we've had really great attendance so far. We've been having the likes of OZEV and DFT and Bays attending, and we've also had some private charging companies and a few guys from engineering firms and finance firms. And that seems to me like quite a good start. However, I do think it would be good to spread it even further.
And are we teaching everybody how to connect to the GSM network, or are we broken it up into smaller parts?
So that's a great question. Not everybody wants to know about GSM networks. So we have designed it so that you've got three versions. You can go on the director's version, which is more an economics sort of view. How much business is being driven inside the EV industry. What does it cost to operate a charging network? And then we've got a more in-depth version called operations, where we really have a look at that GSM stuff. And then we've got a kind of what we like to call a sweet spot, I would say, in the middle with the ecosystem, which is where you can have a look at some of the economic side of things, and you'll also get a bit of the technical side of things. You get an overview.